Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start with a clear definition to avoid mistakes. 1 ton equals 12,000 BTU per hour of cooling capacity. Use that conversion for every calculation. Always express compressor size in tons, not kilowatts. Keep conversion steps explicit and repeat them for accuracy. Understand that BTU totals come from combined heat gains in a space. These gains determine the compressor tonnage required for steady temperature control. Start by estimating heat gains from area, insulation, windows, people, and equipment. For a quick example, use 1,000 square feet at 25 BTU per square foot. Multiply to get 25,000 BTU total design load for that space. Next, include occupant load and equipment heat separately in your total. Add 500 to 2,000 BTU for each adult and 200 to 1,000 BTU. After converting BTU to tons, apply a 10% safety factor to cover peak loads and inefficiencies. If your calculation yields 2,008 tons, multiply by 1,10 to get 288 tons. Round up to the nearest commercial size, for example to 2, 5 tons or 3, 0 tons depending on available models. Consider multiple compressors for redundancy and better part load efficiency in larger systems. Always verify nameplate ratings, operating conditions, and consult manufacturer performance charts before final selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.